Hi, I'm Dr. Kushal Mittal, Director of Proctology course at IMAST, Worli, Mumbai. What is this course? It is minimally invasive surgery in benign proctological diseases. And this is a 3-day course at IMAST, Worli, Mumbai. IMAST is a great center where you can learn everything you want to know in proctology. Why is it great? Because we have lectures during the day from 8:30 to 1:30, followed by lab work 2 to 5 p.m. And this lab work is the state of the art in the whole world. The models you get are exact replicas of what you would be doing in the operation theatre. So what do we cover? On day 1, we cover hemorrhoids, complete hemorrhoids. We talk about how to manage them medically. We talk about how to manage them by office procedures and then surgical procedures, keeping everything in mind. Then we go to the lab where you have hemorrhoid specimen made like the actual hemorrhoid you get on the table. And what do? We do sclerotherapy, banding, we do stapler, hemorrhoidopexy, and we do laser hemorrhoidoplasty. All this is demonstrated to you and then you get to do it yourself. On day 2, we have fistula. In fistula, we start from abscesses, how to manage them, how to do a primary fistulotomy. Then we talk about fistula per se, sphincter saving procedures, sphincter cutting procedures, how can you do each case, everything shown by video. And then we come to the lab. In the lab, we'll show you how to do waft. The fistula tract is created in the animal model and you have to negotiate the scope throughout and go to the internal opening and manage it. Then we'll also teach you how to manage, do fixation, then how you can do a fistulotomy or a fistulectomy. We'll show you what the muscles look like and how to approximate the muscles. And in the end, we can discuss this after we finish all this day course, after the lab session. And on day 3, we have anal fissures. We basically concentrate about chemical sphincterotomy agents. And then on surgery. What do we do in surgery? What is the open lateral sphincterotomy? What is the closed lateral sphincterotomy? How do we do it by lasers? What is the fissurectomy and how do you do it, and anal advancement plans? After that, the last topic we cover is pulmonary sinus, and herein we talk about how it is actually formed, what are you to do, what are the simple procedures, what are the flap procedures, and what is the endoscopic procedure, and what is laser. And we come to the lab and we see EPSEC, that is the endoscopic procedure for pulmonary sinus. We do the flaps in the lab, how to do the various flaps. It can be shown on the animal model and then you can replicate that. Now, why IMAST is important is because their lab work is to the mark. It cannot be replicated anywhere in this country at the moment. And this lab work is what is going to actually train you to do the procedures yourself. The result has been that the students who have passed out from here, once they have gone to the lab and come out after 3 hours, ask umpteen number of questions, they go back and they start doing it and they start sending it to us on WhatsApp. After the course is finished, you are put on a WhatsApp group and then you can ask your questions, you can show what you have done, you can ask me about what are the other procedures you can do, and we keep training. It's a never-ending process. It's a Gurukul. We don't end by you leaving this place. It continues along with you at your place. So we at IMAST are waiting for you to join us and enrich yourself in the proctology course. Do come.